Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to exchange presents and claim your rewards on Christmas Islands. So whether you're looking for the new limited edition roads, rare beads, or exclusive items, I'll show you where to exchange your presents in here, your common or your rare presents, or maybe this one uncommon presents. So what you need to do on Christmas Island is go to the gift factory. So in here you can just go inside, this one, and don't forget to click or hold your presents that you want to exchange, like this one, and give it to the Santa. As you guys can see, previously I got the mutation potion. Now let's hand the present to the Santa, and here you'll get the present. And in here I got 250 candy canes. You can just repeat the steps if you want to exchange another present. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.